Hello everybody, how are you? Today we will take another examples about quadratic inequalities. For an example, 5 x he gave to me plus 11 smaller than 1 and 2x plus 3 smaller than 6. How can I find like these quadratic inequalities? The first thing I do, if I have, I will write it as a note. If I have word and, if I have word and, I will take only common elements. What's the meaning of that? Sorry, I want to write it in another color. If I have word and, I only take common elements. And if I have word or I will take all the elements I found. What's the meaning of these notes? Here in the example, he gave to me 5x plus 11 smaller than 1 and 2x plus 3 smaller than 6. From the first function, I will take value of x, and from the second function, I will take value of x. The two of them, between them, there is word and. If I have word and, I will take only the common elements. How can I do that? I will show you to you now. 5x plus 11 smaller than 1. Okay? 5x smaller than 1 minus 11. 5x smaller than minus 10. So here, if I want to get rid of the factor of x, I will divide the whole question by 5. X smaller than minus 2. So here, the first value of x I find. Here, the first value of x, I found it. The second value, I will find it from where? I will find it from the second function. The second function said 2x plus 3 smaller than 6. So here I will find the second value of x. 2x smaller than 6 minus 3. So 2x smaller than 3. So here I will divide the whole function to 2. So here x smaller than 3 over 2. That means x smaller than 1.5. So now here the second value of x. So here x, for all x smaller than 1.5, this is the second value of x. The first value of x is x smaller than minus 2. So here I will take a line. In the line, I will put number 0 number 1.5 and number what? Minus 2. 1.5 and number minus 2. So the first value said smaller than 1.5. This is the second value, sorry. Second value said smaller than 1.5. The first value said smaller than minus 2. Smaller than minus 2. So the common elements is between what? From minus 2 and smaller than it. So here I will say the solution of these values of x is x for all x smaller than minus 2. So this is the common solution. They call it for this common solution. Why do they call this for that like this? Because he said in the question word and. He said in the question word and. Because he said word and, we take the common values. If he said word or, we take all the values we extract it from the function. Okay, so this is how we find the values of x that satisfy these quadratic inequalities. So here what we do if I have word and in these questions. Now if I have word or, I will give you another example. If I have word or, for example, we will take 2x plus 3 smaller than 6 or 5x plus 11 smaller than 1. So here, how can I solve it now? The first thing, I will take the first equation. 2x plus 3 smaller than 6. That's mean 2x smaller than 6 minus 3. 2x smaller than 3. That's mean x smaller than 1.5. The same thing, I will do it here. 5x plus 11 smaller than 1. 5x smaller than 1 minus 11. 5x smaller than minus 10. X smaller than minus 2. So between them there is what? There is or. Here I will take a line. We'll take a line and put number 0. Sorry guys. Number 0, number 1.5, number minus 2. Now I will say x smaller than 1.5. So I will put x smaller than 1.5. And x smaller than minus 2. X smaller than minus 2. So I said in the note, if he give me the word or, I take all the elements I found. So here the solution equal to what? Solution equal to what? X for all x smaller than 1.5. The whole elements I found. I guess it's clearly right. You can understand it by these two examples. Now I will give you a question with absolute value. How can I solve it? The question say minus 9 smaller than absolute value 2x minus 3 minus 12 smaller than or equal to minus 3. So how can I solve like these questions? I said the first thing I have to do, if I have absolute value, I take the negative and the positive of the absolute value. So here, the positive of it, 2x minus 3. The negative of it, minus x plus 3. So, now I will take the first step, 2x minus 3. The second step, 2x minus 2x plus 3. How can I do that? I will show it to you, sorry. Now, minus 9 smaller than 2x minus 3 minus 12 smaller than or equal to minus 3. How can I solve it this way? Now, I will take this question to find it. The first thing, minus 9 smaller than 2x, negative 3, negative 12 equal to negative 15, smaller than or equal to negative 3. Now I will move minus 15 from here to left and right side. It will be plus 15, so minus 9 plus 15 smaller than 2x, smaller than or equal to minus 9 plus 15. So here it's equal to plus 15 minus 5 equal to 6, smaller than 2x, smaller than or equal to minus 3 plus 15 equal to 12. Sorry. Now, if I want to get rid of the factor of x, I will divide the whole equation to 2. Now here, over 2 over 2 over 2 is equal 3 smaller than x, smaller than or equal to 12. So here the first value I found it. The first value I found it. The second value I will find it from negative formula. Negative formula said minus 2x plus 3. So here I will write it down. Now I will write here minus. This is the negative formula. Minus 9 smaller than minus 2x plus 3 minus 12 minus 9 smaller than or equal to minus 3. So here I will take minus 9 to the right and the left side. It will be plus 9. So minus 9 plus 9 smaller than minus 2x smaller than or equal to minus 3 plus 9. Here minus 9 plus 9, 0, smaller than minus 2x, smaller than or equal to 6. So if I want to get rid of this, if I want to get rid of minus 2, I will say divided the whole equation by minus 2. If I divided the equation on minus, the smaller will change to bigger. I said it before. The smaller will change to bigger. So here 0 over minus 2, 0 over minus 2 over minus 2. Bigger than x, bigger than or equal to minus 3. So this is the second value of x. This is the second value of x. Okay? So I found the first value here. This is the first value. First value of x. This is the second value of x. I hope you enjoy this lesson. I hope you understand it. I will give you, you don't have to take a homework. I will not give you a homework. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Please read it carefully. It's very important. Thank you very much for all of this. See you in the next lesson, inshallah.